Today, we're going to learn English adjectives using a fun topic, cars. We'll start from A1 level and slowly move to B2. Let's begin. At A1 level, we use simple adjectives to describe what a car looks like. Let's look at some examples. This is a red car. This is a big car. This is a new car. This is a fast car. These words, red, big, new, fast, are adjectives. They tell us more about the car. A big car is not always fast. Repeat after me. A big car is not always fast. Now let's go to A2 level. We can use two adjectives together. This is a small red car. This is an old, noisy car. This is a clean, shiny car. This is a slow, heavy car.
Please subscribe and like if you enjoy the video.